What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Suitable Reviews, where we cut through the hype and show you gadgets that actually work. Today, we're breaking down 5 game-changing tools that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. We're talking a wall clock that does way more than tell.
Number 5. Flashlight 20000. High lumens rechargeable. 2-pack super bright LED. Flashlight with 5,000 feet. Beam for emergency, camping, and hiking. The Flashlight 20000 high lumens rechargeable set is built for safety, reliability, and confidence in the dark. This super bright LED flashlight benefits people by delivering powerful illumination for home outages, camping, hiking, and emergency situations. With a 5,000 feet long beam, dual switch control, and 24H long-lasting battery life, it ensures visibility when it matters most. The USB-C rechargeable flashlight with LCD battery display prevents sudden shutdowns and even powers your phone in emergencies. Rugged, waterproof, and durable, this high-powered handheld flashlight is needed for preparedness and peace of mind, making it a smart, dependable choice for everyday and survival use.
Number 4. Biometric Smart Gun. Safe with wireless charging. Fingerprint handgun. Safe with digital clock for bedside drawer, the Biometric Smart Gun safe with wireless charging is designed to keep valuables secure while adding everyday convenience. This fingerprint handgun safe benefits people by providing fast, reliable access through biometric fingerprint, PIN code, or backup keys, ensuring safety without stress. The built-in 24/7 digital clock displays time, temperature, humidity, and battery status, while wireless charging keeps your phone and smartwatch powered. Quiet access, interior LED lighting, and compact bedside design make it ideal for home use. This smart gun safe is needed for responsible storage, quick access, and peace of mind, making it a practical and thoughtful gift men will truly appreciate.
Number 3. Hoto Snaplock DA 3 cordless electric mini drill pen. 3 speed precision hand drill for DIY crafts, jewelry, and PCB. The Hoto Snaplock DA3 cordless electric mini drill pen is designed for creators who need precision, control, and reliability. This cordless electric mini drill benefits people by allowing clean, accurate drilling in jewelry, PCB boards, plastic, wood, and DIY crafts without damaging delicate materials. The 3 speed precision hand drill with a coreless, brushless motor ensures smooth, quiet performance and long lifespan. An 800 mAh Type-C rechargeable battery supports extended work sessions, while the LED ring light improves accuracy in fine details. With 20 M2 drill bits and magnetic storage, this tool is needed for organized, professional quality crafting, making it a must-have for serious DIY enthusiasts.
Number 2. Gifts for Men. Multi-tool pen set, 2 PCs. Multi-tool pens, cool EDC tools. Gadgets for dad, husband, boyfriend, and boss. The Gifts for Men. Multi-tool pen set is a smart and practical choice for anyone who loves useful everyday items. This multi-tool pen set includes a 9-in-1 multi-tool pen and a 6-in-1 multi-function pen, combining writing, screwdriver, ruler, stylus, LED light, and more in one compact design. It benefits people by saving space, solving small daily problems, and staying ready for quick fixes at home or work. Perfect as men's gifts, EDC tools, or stocking stuffers, this multi-tool pen is needed for convenience, durability, and creativity, making it a thoughtful gift men will actually use.
Number 1. Digital wall clock, 13.7-inch large LED display with temperature, date, remote control, auto-dimming RGB. Nightlight, alarm, timer, and DST. The digital wall clock with a 13.7-inch large LED display makes time, temperature, and date easy to see from anywhere in the room. This modern digital wall clock benefits people by improving daily time management, reducing eye strain, and keeping schedules on track at home, school, or the office. The auto-dimming RGB nightlight ensures comfortable viewing day and night, while alarms, timer, and DST features support study, workouts, and routines. With remote control convenience and wall or desk mounting, this clock is needed for clarity, comfort, and productivity, making it a smart, practical choice for everyday life.